Hi everyone, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to use the resort cleaning software now that you're one of our customers. Now that your iCalendar links are directly integrated with us, they're going to pull departure cleanings anytime a new booking comes in. So for the 6th, for example, we've got a few departure cleanings that have been scheduled. One has been completed, the other two are confirmed. The cool thing about the software is that even though these both say confirmed, they are at different phases of the cleaning process. So if you ever want to know what phase your property is in the cleaning process for a departure cleaning, come over here to the status center and you'll see 3 different colors. So the red indicates that nobody has checked in yet. The blue indicates that one of our staff is on site actively working on the property. And green indicates that it is good to go for your guests. So if you're ever curious on where it's at in the cleaning process, just come over here, look and see where it's at. If it's green, you don't need a second guess. That's our stamp of approval saying you're good to go ahead and let your guests check in whenever you'd like. You don't need to check in with us, but you're more than welcome to. If there's ever any issues at a cleaning, you will get notified in a few different ways. So you'll get an email from Resort Cleaning saying, hey, there's been an issue reported. Say it's a broken lamp, for example. You'll get an email saying broken lamp at this property on this date. If you want more details, you'll be able to come over here to your appointments and subtasks. There will be a few assigned to you. So going back to the broken lamp example, you'll be able to see when the timestamp was of when that was reported, what the task description is. So in this case, it's the broken lamp. You'll see what property it's at. You'll see that there's a picture attached to it. That'll help you claim any damages against renters. So you'll have photo evidence to use that against them. Say you've gotten it resolved, you got a new lamp. You'll come over here to this little pencil icon, click cancel, and that'll get rid of it. The other way you can see issues reported is if you come back to your dashboard, come to the 6th of October or whatever date your cleaning's scheduled, and click on that particular appointment. Click in there, click the 3 dots and click post service report. That's going to pull up a very detailed report for you. So it'll have the date and time of the report, when check-in and check-out was. It'll have at the top of the report those reported issues. So again, the broken lamp, a picture of it for you when that was reported. It'll also have your checklist, so if you have us taking pictures of things at each clean, so if you come down here at the bottom of it, it'll also have the picture uploaded and what that item is and everything else that has been completed at that clean. But other than that, that's everything you should need to be able to know and stay up to date on everything going on at your property. Coming back here to the calendar though, say something went wrong with the integration, it didn't pull properly, and you were supposed to have a cleaning on the 16th. All you'll have to do is you can either text or call or email us and say, hey, I'm missing a cleaning, there's supposed to be one here, and we can schedule it for you. Or you can come back over here to appointments, click schedule, and then you're just gonna click your property. The cleaner is gonna auto-populate for Timberland Properties. It'll schedule a departure cleaning, and then if they're checking in the 14th and checking out the 16th, you'll type that in, click schedule, you come back here, it looks yellow. That means it hasn't been confirmed yet. So that's just notifying us that a cleaning has been requested. We'll approve it. Once it's approved, it'll turn green, kind of like this 2 up here, and you know it's good to go. If for whatever reason it's still yellow after a day, just reach out to us and let us know, and we'll get it taken care of. Other than that, that should be everything you need to know to be able to use this resort cleaning software effectively and to be able to stay on top of everything you need to for your short-term rental property. As always, feel free to reach out with any questions or concerns you have. Thanks.